day has started and I'm at the Sarande beach promenade. थोड़ी देर पहले सूपले खाया, अभी मुंह में शायद लगा हुआ है वो मेयोनीज. And दिन में क्या मस्त दिख रही है ये. The clouds are slowly moving apart and the sun is shining bright. This is the entire beach promenade. It's a U-shaped bay, and on this bay you have a lot of hotels, beautiful hotels, resorts, beaches. The prices over here are really premium because of the view you get. It's the price you pay for the view. And the entire bay is full with apartments, houses, the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. Hi. शर्मीले टाइप के बच्चे हैं. हाई नहीं बोलते. And over here is the Monument Kulturi, the monument of culture. This is also a Illyrian monument, around 2,500 years old. Sarande was an important and a strategic seaport for the Illyrian civilization, which is kind of similar to Romans, I think. And you have a lot of such ruins. Got down 2 kilometers before the taxi dropped us over here, and from here there's a 2-kilometer trek to the Blue Eye. And check it out, the scenery, beautiful lake kind of, and the beautiful Albanian Alps. Are these the Albanian Alps, Orinda?
These are not Alps.
These are not the Alps.
No.
Then what are these mountains called?
This is where we went that year.
Okay, Thet is Albanian Alps. So what are these mountains called, you know?
This is the highlands of the south.
Highland of the South,
Yeah,
something like
because
that.
I don't know how to call it, like the mountains of the south, but we have a word in English for that.
We have reached the Blue Eye almost, and the beautiful stream over here. The water is so clear and so pure, you can literally drink from it. I'm thinking to fill up my water bottle here, and we are in this small foresty land which leads us to the Blue Eye. It's actually a natural phenomena, this Blue Eye, where the water of the springs form a reservoir which is 50 feet deep, but the water is so clear that you can literally see the bottom. That's why it forms kind of an eye kind of a shape. So
The one that's achieved, which we also have here,
Let's go.
is the metal.
Where
I
is-
don't know the
And
name of that.
ETTLE.
where is the Blue
खुजली
Eye?
का प्लांट होता है
There.
ऐसा कुछ पत्ता होता है उसका.
Okay. But that's the Blue Eye. Where is the good view from the top?
Let's see there.
That's where all the photos are from.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't really know that.
I'm all counting on Eva and Orinda because they claim to know this place.
Orinda. No.
Not Orinda.
Russian just claimed.
It must be nice in summer.
Smile, Albania. The Blue Eye, right?
Yes.
Now we are talking. Look at this. It's 50 feet deep and the water is so clear you can see right through the through the surface till the bottom.
About 12 degrees.
Turquoise.
Want to jump in?
Many people jump in the summer, but now the water is very cold. But I am not carrying any more clothes. Look at this beautiful place, guys.
Amazing.
Amazing place. The hike was worth it. And where are you from, sir?
Holland.
Holland. Okay. So this stream.
Narmada ki tarah.
I see.
This is an underground water, is it?
So where is the source of the water?
We were discussing it.
Ah,
I think it's coming
from down. Okay, so there is an
on an under mountain stream.
This stream is underwater, so you see there is no more. The lake is no more. I mean, whatever it is, a stream or a lake, the water must be coming from somewhere. And guessing by the bubbles, it's an underwater stream. Isn't that amazing? Stream water from the Blue Eye, perfectly fit for drinking. Ah, it's cold. It's good. It's cold. It's fresh.
After this, we went for lunch, and the restaurant we went to was in the country with outdoor sitting. It also had its own vineyard. This part of Albania is famous for its wines, and it had its own vineyard, its cellar. Soon we got busy in a session of wine tasting, and boy oh boy, the wine was so tasty and delicious. The surroundings were extremely beautiful. The restaurant was situated in the country and there were wide open spaces. For a moment it looked like we were not in Albania, we were in Tuscany, Italy. Such was the beauty of the place. The restaurant, the sitting, the late afternoon sunshine, all culminated in a very productive and a very filling afternoon. The food was also very delicious.
I think we have the entrance, and then yeah, they are explaining what and you can find everything, like the Venetian tower, the temple, the theater, the death.
The buttressed ancient town of Samul has ruins of Greek and later Roman civilizations. This is the Venetian tower, and followed by the Roman baths, and after that the main attraction is the Roman amphitheater, which, like many amphitheaters across the Roman civilization, hosted debates, shows, and also trials and execution orders.
The awesome Roman theatre, the ones which you generally see, the Acropolis in Greece. That's just one theatre. Many such theatres were built, which is during the pinnacle of the Roman Empire and the Greek Empire. So these kind of amphitheaters are very common wherever you have Roman and Greek ruins. Imagine the plays, the debates, the parliaments, the discussions. Justices were handed out here. What all things which have happened.
There are overall 10 attractions here. The most famous are the Roman baths, the Acropolis, the Agora, the amphitheater, the Lion Gate. You need around 1 hour to explore all of this in a gentle pace, and it's easy to get lost, so stick to the markings and you shall be fine.
think of the various kingdoms. There were the Greeks, then the Romans, then the Ottomans, and now it's an abandoned city. But later it was protected, brought under protection, and formed the Butrint National Park. That's the baptistry which we just saw there. Getting close to dusk, so the lighting is beautiful on the water. More ancient walls from the antiquity and Roman baths. Don't give Butrint National Park a miss if you're in Samul and Sarande area. The views are spectacular. Check it out. The place is so peaceful. There are pre-Christian and as well as Christian monuments here. What is this? Is there a way up?
So, we are at 12. Yeah, we have seen that. So, now we are just going further. I think here we will have the number 14.
Number 14.
Need the time to get back on time for that. I mean, we already missed number 7.
No problem, that's no problem. But we are at number 14 and there are 15
We have seen 8.
points. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was the mosaic. So here is the Acropolis.
But
Soon. No, yeah, let's go. No, I think that's the one that this is number 14.
we're in 14, the castle.
Yeah.
Okay. What's there in the castle? Ah, it's closed.
And today,
Yeah, it's a closed, but you can see from outside the castle. Roman tower.
I think the Acropolis is here.
This is the way out?
Because the Acropolis is behind the castle.
Okay.
So
Okay. That was the Butrint castle, guys. As I said, there are very less markings, it's easy to get lost. But there are people you'll meet on the way. It's nothing scary. There's a museum inside the fortress behind me, which is closed. Right now we are heading out. It was a nice little hike in the Butrint National Park. From Butrint National Park we have come to Samul. This is the famous Samul beach, and this is the picture which you see all in TripAdvisor and Lonely Planet photos. It is so peaceful over here. The sun is setting over there, and there are a few islands. All these islands are Albania. None of this is Greece. Greece is on the other side. And this is Samul has the most beautiful beaches in the entire Albanian Riviera. Like, people love to stay in Saranda, but it's better कि आप Samul आके रहे, क्योंकि Samul के beaches बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. Just have a look. Hotels here, and they all have deck chairs. Take a hotel here, sit in the deck chair at your own sweet time and gaze at the beautiful Albanian Riviera and the Mediterranean behind me. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely. It's October, the water is very cold. But summer months, May, June, July, this place is flooding with tourists from Greece, from Italy, from Germany, from Norway, from Netherlands, from England, all the cold places. You don't get much sun, you come here because this place gets 300 days of sun per year. There are changing rooms over here. Sand is white. और मेरी सहेलियां उधर फोटो खिंचाने में व्यस्त है. मैं क्या करूं? पानी में कूद जाऊं? Back in Sarande and at the beautiful beachfront promenade, I am at a restaurant drinking raki, which is also rakia in Serbia. Here it's called raki. And आसपास माहौल बहुत ही शानदार है. अच्छा ही लग रहा है. There is lights everywhere, people walking. I'm at the waterfront. There are boats next to me. Over here I'm आराम से enjoying a glass of raki. It's very strong. और यहाँ पे नीट पीते हैं इसको, लेकिन मैं शायद पानी में मिक्स करके पीऊँगा क्योंकि इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है कि मैं पूरा नीट पी जाऊँ. So it was a nice day. We saw the ancient Butrid National Park, Samul sunset. We experienced fine dining at a restaurant. Then we went to the Blue Eye, a beautiful natural phenomena. All this together summing up a beautiful day and culminating in a beautiful evening where I'm enjoying raki at this beautiful waterfront restaurant. Life's good. पता नहीं कल क्या होगा, इसलिए ड्रिंक पीता हूँ और एंजॉय करता हूँ. See you tomorrow in a new video in a new place. Like, share, comment and subscribe ज़रूर करना, and I see you in the next video. Thank you.